Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name's Marie. My business, social media handles, website, and YouTube channel are Mareevuitton. In this series, I'm going to give you the short form videos of the most used how-tos in Studio Designer. These videos are the remake of last year's how-to series, but you may have noticed that Studio Designer got a bit of a facelift in 2025. That prompted me to reshoot all these videos to help the new users because the screen is going to look a bit different. Okay, the processes and teachings, my tips and tricks remain the same. But again, I just want to make sure that I reshoot them because of the way that it looks different on screen. Okay, so as always, please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful. Subscribe to stay updated. Now let's dive in. In this video, we are going to go over how to track and sell items in inventory. So in the case that we're going to go over, I am going to take the table that we just took into inventory. So if you haven't watched that video, refer to that. But we do have it here. You can confirm. I usually start here because I want to confirm what we have, and we have the history before I just jump into a project and try to sell something. I want to know what's going on, how many we have, if anything's on proposal. So I like to double check because people are notorious for proposing and then just leaving it, right? So we need to know that we have that. Okay, so I usually always confirm, and then in a case like this, I'm going to go ahead and sell one of these items. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and put this on client Smith, and we're just going to put it in the foyer, and it just took the next number. Okay, so we now have the details. You can see that it's not asking for a purchase price because we've already purchased it. It's in our inventory. It is giving the selling price. If I wanted to mark it up or down, we can do so here and adjust accordingly. There's usually not a reason to do that. Okay, and you can see that it already makes it taxable to our client in their given tax location. Okay, so I am going to now save and close, and I'm going to go pull this back up for client Smith. Foyer. Okay, so cancel. I'm going to go back to the toolbox and go over to items. Okay, and I'm going to pull up client Smith, and we can filter so it's a little bit better. Okay, now that I've pulled up the item, I can now propose it to the client, okay? By proposing it, okay, and I'll just say, and I should probably alter that because it says more than one table. I think we didn't do a set. Okay, so now we are just doing a single table. This is what it costs. If I wanted to adjust or do anything, I can do that here as far as pricing, but you can see that it does impute sales tax based on the client's tax location. I've labeled the proposal, as you can see here, and I'm going to close that. So now that the proposal is labeled, it now does take this, and I will show you. You can go into inventory right here from this screen. I usually like to have it take me to inventory there, so I make sure that I'm in the right item. And now you can see that I have two that are committed, not to the same client, but that was the one that I wanted. Okay, committing them means somebody can't now, like if somebody tried to make a proposal, we'd need to take one off of the other. Okay, so always confirm. I always start here because I like to confirm the activity. I like to confirm what we truly have and what, if any, are on proposal, just in case I can grab that. Okay, if there's any questions about what I've said in this video about how to sell items in inventory, let me know. Avoid adjusting because there's ways to kind of get it out. If something was damaged or lost, I have a way to deal with that, and that is in another how-to video. Thank you.